What is up, guys? Today I'm in Tokyo, Japan, tasting possibly the best meat, no diddy, that I've ever tasted in my life. So we were just walking down the street and we saw a sign for this teppanyaki place. I'm gonna shout it out because it was honestly insanely delicious. And we walked in and they actually had some of the highest quality meat I've ever seen in my life. And as soon as I saw this meat, he told us to start recording, and I knew I had to start recording. And I just wanted to record his process of making it because it was really insane techniques that he used. I'm into cooking myself and I was just very impressed by how he did this. So at the start I was half recording, half trying to see what he was doing, and I didn't know if he was comfortable being on camera. Later on he encouraged me to keep recording, but for now I'll leave you guys with the ASMR of his cooking and his techniques.
Se ve bien tostadito.
Vino, ¿verdad?
Sí.
¿Oh, vino blanco?
Gracias.
No, es vino blanco.
White.
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 Oh, wow.
Before this, he had made an oni cream and shrimp dish that was honestly life-changing. It was delicious.
Oh, solo un jugo.
Bueno, la grasita.
Calientísimo.
Medium.
¿Cómo quieres? Medium rare. Medium rare. Yes. Ese Wagyu va a estar buenísimo.
Sí, qué curioso que sea también mexicano. Sí. ¿Por qué crees? Tal vez es buena calidad y todavía barata.
Oh, le sale un montón de jugo.
Al final de cuentas nunca te van a poner, nunca te van a poner nada. No, lo que es el jugo del ajo, de la cocción.
Oh my god. Ese sello está bien bueno. Oh my god. ¿Qué crees que va a hacer con esa pieza de allá?
Pero absolutamente delicioso.
Sí, todos tienen mitad.
Súper bien. Sí, súper bien.
Oh, ahí le ponen el ajo arriba.
And guys, I was so excited to eat that I literally forgot to record my reaction to eating it. But what I could describe it as is it's just like almost as if you're eating fat, like from a traditional ribeye. But it's perfectly distributed throughout the meat. And it was so soft and it melts in your mouth. And this was my real reaction to it.